Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego race car. First, you get your wheels piece, then you get your front piece, and get your steering wheel, get your chair, get your 2-piece, then get your flat 8-piece, and then this, and that's the race car. Now you can do a road if you want, and the pieces for it. First, you take this, then these 2 fences, and put them right there. That's how you build the race car. And if you want, you can get your Lego minifigure race car man, and you could put him on the street and make him drive it. And that's, once again, that's how you build a race car. Bye.